Greeting everyone, welcome back to 4DD. Today, we are going to discuss the blue screen issue that Dell laptops often encounter during use. Blue screens not only affect our work efficiency, but may also cause us to lose unsaved data. Don't worry, I will introduce 3 effective methods to solve the blue screen problem of Dell laptops. Let's get started. So there could be 2 different scenarios. First is, if you are able to come to your desktop. If you all can see all of your desktop feature, then what you need to do is click on your search box and type reset. Choose reset this PC from the suggestion. Here, you will see an option of advanced startup, so you need to click on restart now. Once you come up here, you have to click on troubleshoot. Then click on Advanced Options. Click on the Startup Repair and see that if problem has been solved. Second scenario is that you are not able to reach the desktop and not able to use any feature. Then what you have to do on your laptop or on your PC, press and hold the power button until the computer gets shut down. Then you have to restart again by pressing the power button as soon as you see the logo of Windows on your screen. Again, you need to press and hold the power button to force shutdown. After you doing that for 3 times, it will be coming up with the advanced options, where you'll see all such kind of options. The previous operations are very tedious, and I highly recommend a third-party partition management software to solve this error. 4DD Partition Manager is a reliable Windows partition management tool. It can not only help you migrate Windows AS to SSD without reinstalling system, but also help you clone your entire disk or partition to upgrade disk. Moreover, it can help you resize, extend, split, create, or delete partition. It has a powerful function that you can use it to deal with Dell blue screen. First, launch 4DD Partition Manager. Head to Partition Recovery. If you're still able to get to desktop after blue screen, just click into Repair Boot. It can repair corrupted MBR or EFI files in order to prevent blue screen for you. If you hardly get to desktop, go into Create WinPA. If the operating system cannot boot normally, or you want to perform some operations that are restricted on your device, you can create a bootable media based on WinPA. Then click the Start button to proceed. Click the Continue button when you've chosen the connected USB as the target disk. A pop-up window will remind you that the USB flash drive will be formatted. Click Sure after you have backed up all the essential data. The creation process will now start. Making a USB drive that can boot into WinPE may take several minutes. Click Finish when it's completed. That's it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.